The Pentlands. After a 32 days passage from Tilbury, SS Simla anchored in the Bay of Bengal, off the lights of Madras city, on the night of 29th October 1912, wrote John Sinclair in his memoir to mark the arrival of the Pentlands to India. The family consisted of John Sinclair, Lord Pentland, the Baroness Marjorie Sinclair, and their children, Margaret and Henry. Lord Pentland was the governor of Madras from 1912 to 1919, a period that witnessed landmark events such as World War I and the Home Rule movement. As a significant political family, the Sinclairs had a ringside view to some of these historical moments, and they kept meticulous photographic records of their experiences in the subcontinent. A testament to this is a set of 3 albums in the Sarmaya collection, which contain over 800 silver prints, accompanied by handwritten captions and ephemera. The albums capture the family's private, light-hearted moments alongside mandated official surveys and portraits. Focusing on the value of the album as an important historical source that records Lord Pentland's term as governor, one might overlook the experiences of 2 young central figures, Henry and Margaret, or John and Peggy as they were lovingly known. The Sinclair children were 5 and 6 years old when they arrived in India. Framed against the backdrop of the experiences of a high-ranking colonial family in the Madras Presidency, the photo album captures John and Peggy's journey from childhood into adolescence and adulthood. It looks like John and Peggy had several adventures in India, from idyllic picnics to a view of official ceremonies. In Ooty, the children often followed their father, Lord Pentland, on their ponies, where he gave them their first lessons in horsemanship. They spent 8 years in India, and even after their departure, the albums, possibly put together by their mother, continue to meticulously record their adventures. The children, who by this time had grown into young adults, are seen experimenting with their own cameras and celebrating Peggy's sweet 16th. At the turn of the 20th century, access to photography grew, and the photo album served as a space for documentation, from travelogues to personal family memorabilia. In the Pentland albums, amongst the glorified pageantry and formal portraits, the stories drawn from the personal moments humanizes the experiences of this 20th century colonial British family.